see how it's put together, and then you're going to do exactly the same thing with a different data set. Okay, so I think with this as a guide, you shouldn't have too much trouble carrying out the various tasks. I'm not going to go through all the details of finding these breakpoints exactly, because we've talked about that before. One point that I will add in relation to the data table analysis that leads to these breakpoints, it is possible to use the solver to find these breakpoints instead of the goal seeker. We've noticed before that the goal seeker is somewhat imprecise, and it's necessary to sometimes do trial and error adjustments to make it more accurate after the goal seeker gets done. But the solver is set with smaller tolerances, and so we can do the same sort of work using the solver, and it's more accurate. So I just wanted to point that out here in one case, and then I'll not redo the other ones. But just in this one case, what we're looking for here is essentially where the cash equivalent value of the small plant becomes 0. So we want this target cell to assume a value of 0, and that's where this third option comes in. Instead of minimizing or maximizing, which would be appropriate for an optimization problem, we're simply trying to get that cell to assume a particular value, which in this case is 0. So this is the goal seeker function being done with the solver dialog box. Now the changing cell in this case, as we've mentioned, is inside the table in the same row. We don't change the one up above. We change the one in the table here only. All right. And then we let the solver do its search.